Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Mi 10T and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So first of all, let's find and open the settings, and here we have to scroll down and find passwords and security. Let's tap on it. As you can see here, we've got the fingerprint unlock option, so simply tap on it. Now we have to set an additional screen lock. If you have one currently set, no worries, you will be transferred to the next step. We can choose the pattern, pin or password. Simply tap on the one you want to use. I will pick the pattern. And now we've got the warning that you have to remember your password, because if you will forget it, then you will have to erase all the data stored on your device in order to unlock it. So let's tap on got it and let's set the pattern. So let's draw it and redraw it and confirm. Now we have to add our fingerprint, so let's place our finger on the sensor, which is located on the power button. So let me put my finger on it, and now we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. Okay, now we have to move our finger slightly in order to add all of the edges of it. Okay, and as you can see, we just successfully added our fingerprint. If you want to, you can rename it, so simply tap here and you can type the exact name of the finger you just added. So in my case, it will be index. Okay, and let's tap on done. And as you can see here, we've got our fingerprint added. If you want to add another, just tap on the Add Fingerprint option. Under it, we've got the recognition method, so let's tap on it. And here we can decide how we want to unlock our device. We can simply touch and press the power button and then it will be unlocked, or simply touch the power button and the sensor. I will stick with this option. What's more, under it we can decide for what we want to use our fingerprint for, so we can use it for privacy password, app lock or fingerprint payments. It's up to you how we want to set it and for what you want to use it. Okay, so now let's lock our device. Okay, and let's try to unlock it with our fingerprint. I'm just putting my finger on the sensor, and as you can see, the device is unblocked, so it means that we successfully added our fingerprint. So actually that's all. This is how to add a fingerprint in your Xiaomi Mi 10T. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.